Today, we're overloading a lowered mini truck.
A dually update. I found an issue.
She's sagging a little bit. Yeah, she's sitting a little better now. Okay, so she was just shy of 1,000 pounds. Not too shabby for a little quarter ton. What do you think?
I'm glad this isn't my truck anymore.
The squirrels are making it really hard to keep this thing clean. So, a little bit of a dually update. Took the timing cover off and discovered there's a little bit more play than I'd like to see in here. So, I'd really like to get a timing set and a cam for this. Good news is, I have these right here. Bad news is they're for a small block. So, I'll have to buy a set. Well, I got the new timing set in. It's a lot better. It's double roller. Ordered a computer-friendly cam too. It's going to take a couple weeks to get in, so I guess that kind of puts the engine building on hold. And this is exactly why you should chase all your holes before you reassemble your engine. All that crap was just in one hole.
So things have been going to hell. I went to show you guys my S10 and it something in the clutch went on the way to work, so it's stuck at in the parking lot at work. And was gonna go to the car show today, biggest one in Alberta this year, and show you guys some of that. But then we got some of this bullshit. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Apparently the show still went on. They called it Snow and Shine, but I live about an hour away, so I wasn't driving there just for that. So yeah, that was supposed to be an episode. That didn't happen.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
I love being a Canadian, but this is just bullshit on a stick.
Just fucking bullshit. Bullshit, bullshit, and more bullshit.
It's September! It's September! It's September! In the meantime, while I'm not making any videos about the dually, I'd like to do some vehicle biography videos. I love stories about vehicles, so I'd love to tell some stories about vehicles. I have a few vehicles of my own that have some neat stories, and I know a few others that have some neat stories, so I might do a few videos like that, just show off my vehicles and tell some stories about them.
Fuck.